everybody at the station. And they be like, because you ever seen the movie? Like, you ever seen the one when it was like,
It was like,
you ever seen Game Shakers? When Tip goes, yeah. You know what? The dog was at the station.
the dub out of station with Bunny in there. And yeah, because he was moving. So I'm going to that. Yeah, he said good.
Yeah, they was at that station. That station.
I know.
They were ready to go. Airplane had the map. And they were saying it was like an airplane. But that's too much.
Yeah, I thought
Y'all taste it. There you go. Oh my god, that is just so bad.
Go. Ain't nobody stopping you.